IRS Form 720 for your PCORI fees. It's an 8-page document, but you don't have to fill most of it out, so this will go quite quickly. On page one, just your company information, including your tax ID. And then right here on the quarter ending, everyone will put June the 30th, 2025. That's it for page one. Moving on to page two, we'll come down here to part two, and you're going to fill in line 133, either C or D, and you're going to put in there the number of lives that you covered. This does not mean how many employees do you have eligible. It means how many members are you covering on average. And so you should receive something from your carrier, whether that be Aetna, your TPA, or whomever. And if not, you can contact me, and it's an easy thing to calculate, even if you don't have information from your insurance carrier, but most of you do. And the question may be, well, how do I know if I fill out C or D? Well, I'm sending you in the email a cheat sheet, and it depends on when your plan year ended. So this will tell you what your normal end date would be based on your anniversary date. So if you're January 1, your benefits renew January 1, then you're going to fill out line D, and you would pay $347 per member. And then as you can see, November and December are also line D, and everybody else, your anniversary dates that fall in between that are line 133C, and you'll pay the lower 322 per member. And when I say member, a husband, a wife, and two children, that counts as four. It's not asking how many employees on average you covered, but how many members. So you'll put that number in, you'll multiply it by one of these two numbers and get your result and put it there. You'll carry that same number over here, and then you'll bring it down to this bottom line. We'll move on to page three. You'll carry that same number up here. And most of you, if not all of you, this PCORI fee, you'll feel nothing else regarding a PCORI fee except, or the Form 720 except the PCORI fee. So you just bring that number down here and sign, date, put your title, print your signature below, make sure you include your telephone number. And I'm ready now for the Link Group to write a check to the United States Treasury. In my case, $24.29. If you want to pay electronically, you can go to eftps.gov. I've never tried that. I'm just going to send a check in, and I will mail it to the Department of Treasury, Internal Revenue Service, Ogden, Utah. There's the zip. Make sure you keep a copy of this, of course. And you're really done. Page 4, 5, 6, 7, nothing. You don't fill out any of that, but on page 8, there's a voucher you'll want to send in with your payment. Again, make sure you check the second quarter box, put your company information in again with the amount, and you're done. And you can see it's quite simple. So if you have questions, let me know. But this is it.